What's up, you guys? How's it going? This is John. Today we're going to be hitting up some of LA's favorite locations with one of my old friends, Sezgin Yilmaz, a Turkish Instagrammer, a lifestyle creator, and an amazing photographer. So let's go to Venice and pick him up so that we can hit up downtown LA and take some photos, eat some lovely food, and enjoy some nice beverages. Stick around. Alright folks, I'm currently driving to Venice to pick Sezgin up from his hotel. I believe he's staying at Air Venice, which is a beautiful hotel right by the boardwalk. And then we're gonna pick him up and head over to downtown Los Angeles to take a look at some of the most favorite iconic spots across the city. We're gonna go to different cafes, we're gonna go to different museums, and really Instagrammable spots for him. I'm gonna be shooting his photos as well, and I'm hoping to vlog as much of this as possible with you so that you can kind of see how our LA experience is like. But I'm about 5 minutes out right now from his hotel. I'm gonna try to find a parking spot. It's a very gloomy day out today. I'm hoping by the time we get to the inlands of downtown Los Angeles, it'll be nothing but blue skies. So cross your fingers, folks. June gloom has been long enough in Los Angeles, and then we had the May gray prior to that. So it's quite depressing. Let me give you a little bit of a backstory. I met Sezgin through Instagram, I would say about 6 to 8 years ago. And I'm originally from Turkey, born and raised in Istanbul, lived there for 21 years. But then afterwards, I moved to Boston to get my MBA. And since then, I stayed there for about 7 to 8 years before my journey in Los Angeles. And that's where my Instagram journey began as well. So throughout that time, I hit up local Instagrammers in Istanbul. And every time I would visit, I would go meet up with them as well. And Sezgin has been one of those Instagrammers that I've frequently met up with. And he has grown an extremely large audience for himself. He had a TV show traveling around the world. So he's definitely a well-achieved, successful, and a classy lifestyle creator. So I'm really excited to introduce him on this first episode of the vlog and then see what we're gonna discover together in downtown Los Angeles. What's up, you guys? We're in downtown LA. Sezgin is here with me. We're gonna be walking around some of the most iconic spots of downtown Los Angeles. This is my third time since I've moved to this country and to this city. So it's gonna be quite interesting, but let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go. Let's go. I almost did not see you there. Behind the scenes. Alright, we just stopped by the Bradbury Building. Sadly, they don't let you shoot with a full-on camera there, so you're only allowed to use your mobile camera. But it was such a beautiful building, such a history. I wish there were more buildings across Los Angeles like that. But we're gonna go take a look at the Last Bookstore. I hope there are no camera restrictions there because this guy is really itching to get some good photos out of today. So we'll see how that one goes. But stick around, it'll be fun. We're at the Last Bookstore. We're gonna go upstairs and check it out, trying to find those Insta-worthy spots. But let's go look at some books. Alright folks, we just got out of the Last Bookstore. We're on our way to the Walt Disney Concert Hall and the Broad. The Broad is closed for today though, as it's in Monday. But we have about a 15-minute walk right now to the Walt Disney Concert Hall and the Broad. So let's see how that goes. So what are your thoughts on downtown LA so far?
I mean, this is my third or fourth time, and I can easily say that the city looks beautiful.
All right, we're gonna walk uphill. I'm not cut out for this, but he's much more fit than I am. Always hitting the gym here. I always hit in and out. So
The problem in here, you cannot walk in LA. I mean, you have to own a car.
Yes.
And that's what makes you a little lazier than the other cities, I suppose.
Yeah. In Istanbul, I used to walk a lot. I didn't drive in Istanbul because I
My friend
hated it.
who lives in here, she told me that one day they just tried to do everything in car.
Yeah.
Drive-through. And they did almost from drive-through. They do the groceries, they do the eating, they do the pharmacy.
Wow.
Without getting out of car. You realize something? There is no palm trees.
There are no palm trees. Well, there were a few down that block, but yeah. In downtown LA, you don't see a lot of palm trees like you do in West LA. All right, here we are at the Broad. I'm afraid the museum is closed today, probably either because it's Monday, because most museums are closed on Mondays. This is the first time I'm stopping by the Broad. Obviously, I want to come in and check it out next time, but it's closed for today. It looks beautiful. The amount of contrast, the amount of designs that you're able to capture from the architecture is mesmerizing, just mind-blowing, simply mind-blowing. And we shot some strolling shots of Sezgin as well. I'm gonna be sharing those here for you. But we're just having good old fun, and we're about to hit the Walt Disney Concert Hall soon. All right, see ya. All right, here we are at the Walt Disney Concert Hall. My first time here, never been, but I've always been intrigued to shoot photos around here. So Sezgin is gonna be my subject today around the metal walls. It's kind of like a canyon, so let's see what type of shots we can capture here. So we climbed up the stairs right on the side of the concert hall. If you're looking for that angled shot with like both metal plates surrounding you, it's this one right here. So as you come up the stairs, keep heading straight and you should be able to see it. Kind of out of breath right now, honestly. I'm not set up for this. But yeah, we're gonna shoot some of Sezgin's photos here as well. All right, you guys, the tour is almost over, but we're gonna finalize this with some In-N-Out because we're ridiculously hungry. So we're gonna head up to In-N-Out in Westwood on Gehry Avenue.
Can we say it's a true classic?
It's a true classic. What do you like to grab from In-N-Out?
I would like to have like 2 double animal style.
2?
Yeah, at least 2.
You go big.
And 1 fries also animal style.
What about milkshake? Do you get a milkshake?
Yeah, sometimes, but I prefer to eat.
Yeah.
I mean, when I calculate the calories, I prefer to have the burger rather than the shake.
Okay. Makes sense.
But shake is good also.
Shake is also good.
Which flavor do you like?
I like strawberry, but I'll take a chocolate every once in a while.
Most of people, I guess, like strawberries. By last time, I mean 2 days ago, I had mixed chocolate with vanilla.
Oh wow, that's cool.
It was good.
Yeah. All right, so let's go to In-N-Out. Our In-N-Out, double animal style. Mine has no tomatoes, onions, or lettuce, just the way I like it. How is yours?
Animal style, protein style.
Yes.
Double.
Double. All right, folks, that's it for today. Sezgin Yilmaz joined us for a downtown LA tour, and we grabbed some cup of coffee and enjoyed the sights. Nice to have you.
John,
hopefully I'll see you as well.
Having us, and you were a great host, and it was very fun. And I hope to see you guys again and do it again.
Yeah, round 2. Yeah, thank you.
Bye bye.